Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to turn off on dark mode Windows 11. We will open the settings from the Start menu. There in Personalization, open the option Colors. After this, in the section Choose Your Mode, display the options and select Dark. You can see that both the system and the applications will be in dark mode. Now in Choose Your Mode, select the option Custom. You can configure the environment to your liking. For example, in default Windows mode, leave the dark mode, and in default app mode, set the light mode. You can see that the applications will be in light mode, but the system in dark mode. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.